Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting your Play console ready and uploading a production-ready build. Make sure you paid the $25 fee and verified your identity, because Play won't publish unverified accounts. Once done, sign and export an AAB or APK with Target SDK and 64-bit support so installs aren't rejected. Then you fill the store listing: title, short and long descriptions, icon, and screenshots. This initial step speeds review and sets expectations for users, which improves first-day conversion. Once your listing exists, optimize it for discovery and conversion. You should use researched keywords in the title and short description. Place primary keywords early to boost relevance. Also localize descriptions and screenshots for top markets and add a 16:9 promo video to increase installs. Make sure pricing, countries, and distribution settings match your go-to-markets, and complete content rating and privacy policy fields so review passes smoothly. These actions improve search rankings and reduce churn from mismatched expectations. You should launch via a staged rollout, starting at 1 to 10% to catch crashes and behavior issues before full exposure. Monitor Play console metrics: crash rate, ANR, installs, retention, and LTV. These tell you whether to pause or expand. Promote with universal app campaigns, social posts, and influencer placements, and watch attribution. If review rejects you, read the notes, fix the specific issue, and reupload quickly. If the problem persists, escalate through Play console support with logs and repro steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.